Have you ever wondered what holds the universe together? What are the invisible strings that keep the stars, galaxies, and everything in existence in check? Well, it's all down to four fundamental forces that govern the universe: gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear force, and weak nuclear force. Gravity, the force we're most familiar with, keeps our feet on the ground and governs the motion of planets around the sun. Electromagnetism is responsible for everything from the light we see to the electricity that powers our world. The strong nuclear force binds the smallest particles in the heart of atoms, while the weak nuclear force controls radioactive decay. These four forces are the fundamental principles that dictate the behavior of everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. They are the invisible architects of our universe, shaping and guiding the cosmic ballet of stars and galaxies. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these forces and unravel their mysteries one by one. Gravity is the force that most people are familiar with. It's the force that keeps your feet on the ground and the Earth in orbit around the sun. But what is gravity really? Picture it as an invisible connection, a bond that forms between any two masses. It's like a silent call, whispering, "Come closer," to everything in the universe. Now here's a surprising fact. Of all the fundamental forces, gravity is the weakest. Yes, you heard right, the weakest. Yet it's the only one with an infinite range. It reaches out across the vastness of space, never weakening, never wavering. This is why gravity, as gentle as it may be, can hold entire galaxies together, binding stars, planets, and cosmic dust into a beautiful cosmic dance. So the next time you drop something, remember, it's gravity pulling it towards the Earth. Now let's move on to the other three forces. Electromagnetism, the force that lights up your screen and powers your fridge. This fascinating force governs the interactions of electrically charged particles. It's the one that makes our modern world tick. All the light we see, the electricity that powers our devices, and the magnetism that guides our compasses are all thanks to electromagnetism. It's the force that allows electrons to orbit the nucleus of an atom, creating the vast array of elements we find on the periodic table. But let's move closer to the heart of the atom, to a place where electromagnetism can't reach. Here, in the atomic nucleus, we find the strong nuclear force. This force, despite its microscopic realm, is the most powerful of all, being about 100 times stronger than electromagnetism. It's what keeps protons and neutrons snugly bound together, forming the nucleus of the atom. Without it, every atom in the universe would fall apart. Lastly, let's talk about the weak nuclear force. This force might sound a bit underwhelming, especially after hearing about its stronger sibling, but don't let the name fool you. The weak nuclear force plays a crucial role in the universe's grand scheme of things. It's responsible for radioactive decay and nuclear fission, processes that power the sun and other stars. It's the force that allows the sun to shine, giving us light and warmth. So, while gravity might be the most familiar force, it's not the only one at work. Behind the scenes, electromagnetism, the strong nuclear force, and the weak nuclear force are all tirelessly shaping our universe. They're the ones that allow atoms to form, stars to shine, and life to thrive. These forces, though not as noticeable in our daily lives as gravity, are equally essential in shaping our universe. In conclusion, these four forces, gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear, and weak nuclear, are the unseen strings that hold the universe together. They serve as the universe's architects and engineers, shaping galaxies and holding atoms in place. They dictate the course of cosmic events and the very fabric of existence. While we may not see these forces, we are constantly at their mercy, living and breathing in the symphony they orchestrate. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it's not just stars and galaxies. It's a grand stage where these four forces perform their cosmic dance.